Probably the biggest one for us at the moment is the depreciating Kina, because it just means that a lot of the ingredients that we import continue to go up in price. So, as I said to some of your colleagues, I said we're doing a lot of work at the moment to see whether we can start to exploratory work to see what local content or what local products can we start to use more of to, I guess, eliminate some of that impact of the depreciating Kina. Very keen to also tap into the Prime Minister's offer, in terms of what can government, how can government support, companies like us to hold costs down. So, things like tariff concessions and that will go a long way, especially on those ingredients that we import for manufacturing. Reduced or zero-rated tariffs on those imported items goes a long way to also helping us keep the costs down. We don't want to take. Our vision is not to take pricing up, but keep costs as low as possible through, better operational efficiencies, and hopefully we can also get some government support in that endeavour as well through tariff concessions. Yeah. Total, we have around about 160 sort of different products that we sell. We produce 6 main categories. So biscuits is our main category. Followed closely by ice cream, ice cream and ice cream related products like tea shake.
How can government assist you so that you maintain a price that is affordable to our people, but at the same time you can keep business floating, employ, expand business, and generate return to the investors or shareholders of the business? And I want to also close by recommending additional push if Paradise Food can also venture into.
Very, very important. To talk about Mila Terry want to be please say we go play time stop. Mila Gula spending want me so that Mila go through want them. Islam affect him life play you want them family play you as a young man, as a student, as a working person. Now Blaman blow you, Blaman Basalim Boiler Street, or Blaman Basalim Boiler Street, Market Mama, kind of glow formal sector, informal sector, as a Papua New Guinea, as a whole. Islam message him bring me over it. The young boy, you blow us paying attention and spending a little time with the personal relation. Now, last week, that's all the newspaper article, long national service reading the international monetary policy, long all IMF. IMF gave on the order of government, blame long devaluing currency blame. Now I'm talking about currency devaluation. Government and plan, Marape also government plan no devaluing the currency limit now. It's been tabled out already. It's in discussion. It's a suggestion I will putting forward. Now, IMF got some reason why now talking about devaluing currency blah. As a country, maybe need long devaluing currency or not immediately look at past them. Why me talking about something because it is very important. Now we got reason to devalue currency devaluation, and there are maybe 4 types of currency devaluation. External devaluation, and then you have the internal devaluation. You have competitive devaluation, and then me just look at IMF based external devaluation want them competitive devaluation. Now, competitive devaluation and true. Papua New Guinea, we are not competitive enough against Injil region. Injil Pacific, yes, maybe we are more competitive than Fiji, that's all. But Injil Oceania and Southeast Asia, no, nowhere near. Even no near to us. And then there is external. So, we like to give some negative impacts on currency devaluation. Now, you look in countries in Indonesia, value money problem go on. So, you can 5 pina, 10 pina go, los la border also talk batas. Indonesians are selling their goods and services or $1 cent all pricing lo Kina, not in lo Indonesian rupee. Because mipla PNG is a long Kina go spend at that lo country blow. Now, Kina maybe it's thousands times and big times you carry one train go and buy carry briefcase money. Ani pa pula want a briefcase. Currency for devaluing. But then we talk about why our strong black economy? Why they are rich? Why our strong black GDP problem is very high? They have more middle class, they have more rich and wealthy. but same time value block currency blow koron order. The reason is that they have many manufacturing industries. Manufacturing industry blow big plan. They produce vehicles, they produce tin foods, factory blow industries blow way ahead. They have a very strong SME. SME blow it's not like you may run trade zone or taga box na PNG services, no. In SME blow you will look some they will run finances, financial services, manufacturing, tailoring, farming, agriculture, all going to lower that in MSME blow in like him. And they have a lot to export to other countries that don't produce such, but all produce some quality. Now, I'll export him long bigger quantity. That's why they go to a lot of foreign reserves. So in short, competitive industry, competitive devaluation is not a problem at all. It's a good thing. It's not a problem, but it's a good thing to them. So that they produce mess now, they export in mess. So it doesn't affect their economy. They bring a lot of foreign reserves into their country. You look. That's how Indonesia is. So time they import one of the foreign reserves, but preserve most of the Marape problem. That's Indonesia, and we are not like Indonesia. Manufacturing industry will mean one British American tobacco, tuna canneries, you look auction palm, and other tin food here, making noodles, oil beef. It's just that's only just some small percentage. We cannot compete in such way. So you mean like devalue because long competitive devaluation. I think that's a wrong approach. You look that's a wrong approach because I'm like some time now. External devaluation. So if you mean like devalue can have me because long external devaluation, then we don't have one man. Who are we competing against? Long import na export products. If we are devaluing Kina, price blow something but want exactly price blow something want finish and then you want to further devaluate. Go down one minus. Look at Fiji. Fiji cannot blame which Sauzul Kasalim Fijian dollar changing the PNG Kina by all 72 every mean. Whereas in me selling Fiji we get much more less than what? One is the no devalue, one is they don't have anything to lose. Oh no, even one resource rich or some while we are resource rich in the like devaluate. Well, Fiji is only one thing is tourism industry. What is wrong with our economy already? I mean, most of the economy background stuff now. You know what choice so I may give me orally now. Look, stop thinking about devaluing currency, but creating like competitiveness, creating more industry. Talking one thing about I also think about we are the gateway to the Pacific. Why not our government negotiate on Motors, Toyota along Japan and bring the assembly line in PNG? All the products get it from Japan, build an assembly line in PNG, and export them to Toyota and Costa to Solomon Islands, Fiji and other Pacific Islands, even to Indonesia. We need assembly lines of many things. You look at instead you look at the climate, you devalue stuff. Now, but you further devalue the price for something more than maybe some time over there, and then can I become less competitive? We have the raw materials, we have the gas, oil, and copper. Why do we have to devalue? There's no other country for compete with people against himself. No other country for compete with people side blow, export blow gold, export blow copper, export blow nickel, export blow gas, no oil, export blow coffee, cocoa. These are raw materials. Instead, you make a downstreaming processing. The downstream processing, we should make it here. People are exporting round logs go to here, downstream. Cutting more logs, putting go to timber and apply with the exportable something. This is what we learned to look like IMF. IMF been failing plenty countries in African nations, in South American. You know, we don't have to listen to IMF. They are a bunch of fools that controlled by the establishment. All like take over all the world. Russia, China, they don't listen to IMF. Even United States don't share IMF. IMF is strong because long United Nations. People need to stand strong thinking away from me. All people suffer stuff. People suffer stuff. Price was something want up. 500 kina me only me feeling was 50 kina. 1,000 was some blamas. 100 kina something number. Look, kina power buying power money and more value anymore. You must get downstream processing. Gold billion you do it. Producing gold in your country, making into gold. Final products for gold. Producing oil and gas, producing in your country, in export. Making coffee in Chile, sugar, everything, producing the oil palm. We don't need to, even start need to export, import. Only thing may important may more technology the solya, mobile phones na, car na, balos. Things that are complicated, technology, things that don't require advanced technology. But pen, paper, book, spray, eyeglass, torch, radio, cup, spoon, plate, cup, Mimi can begin to country women. Can be part of SME as well. Government need to look sila. No kan to downstream na to ay may talk so skin do guri natin plant yung primitive lo na may member to pula parliament salim mo kanaka goncheck na saga bel very pinig lo kawo so mongi na current tribe la pato laga na burgo sa Australia na bagay na yung country sa ram country program thank you la tingin sila na consider sila sharing sila video sharing sila information so that plant mo masaway thank you la cheers